inspirational quotes and prayers is one of the easiest content to create on YouTube, and also is one of the best evergreen content to put out on YouTube. Now, what I mean by evergreen is simply a video that was made a very long time ago and is still getting views up till now, just like this one. Here, this video was uploaded 4 years ago. It has gotten 9.4 million views, and currently it's still getting 328 views per hour. So on average, it's getting over 300 views per hour after 4 years. This is incredible. And here's another example to prove to you that this niche is an evergreen niche. You can see that this video was uploaded 3 years ago and it has gotten 21 million views. And not just that, it's currently getting 489 views per hour. That means on average, it's getting over 400 views per hour for a 3-year-old video. Now, how cool is this? So if you're trying to create content in this niche, if you're trying to start this niche, there are things you must follow. There are rules, there are strategies you must follow if you want to grow really fast. And that is why I'm making this video, to teach you all the strategies, everything that you need to know on how to grow this niche really, really fast. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, before we get started, the first thing we need to do is to confirm if this niche is monetizable, so that we won't be wasting our time creating content for a niche that would never get monetized. And to do that, all we have to do is to come here and copy this channel link like so, and then we're going to open a new browser and we're going to go ahead and visit our favorite monetization checker to check if the channel is monetized and to know, of course, if we're going to get into the niche. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the link like so, and I'm going to go ahead and put in the code.
2 seconds later.
Here you have it. The channel is fully monetized. The channel is perceived as original. Ads are active. Now, how cool is this? And one more thing I want us to check is to have an idea of how much this channel earns, to know if the channel makes money. Now we know that it's monetizable. Let's also confirm if the channel makes money and how much the channel possibly makes, to know if we can foot our bills, if it's worth getting into. But trust me, this niche is amazing. I'm going to be sharing amazing things with you in this video, so please make sure you pay attention. Don't skip around, because when you do, you're going to miss out on all the information that I have for you in this video. So now that I've opened Social Blade, I'm going to go ahead and paste in the link, the channel link like so. And here you can see that the channel makes over $15,000 on a monthly basis. How cool is this? $15,000 a month for something that doesn't take up to 5 minutes to create the content. This is amazing. Give this video a like if you're excited about this, and also encourage me to make more videos like this. Now, if you're doubting this figure, if people actually make this amount of money on YouTube without ever showing their face, well, I've done a tutorial where I shared my analytics, how much I make on this channel and how much Social Blade is showing. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave the link in the description, and you can also click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video, so you know if Social Blade is accurate or not. But trust me, even if you're making like 50% or even 30% of this amount of money, it's amazing, because number one, it doesn't take time to create this content, and number two, it's something that you can take out 2 days to generate a video that you're going to upload for a whole month, and then you can go to bed, travel around the world, have fun, and then the videos you uploaded will be going public when you schedule them, and guess what? At the end of the month, you get paid. So you don't really have to be actively involved in the channel every day. You can do 2 days of work, 3 days of work, and it covers a whole month of work. Now, how cool is this? And one of the things I love about this niche is that not only does it make money, not only is it evergreen, but also the lives that it changes. So you're not just creating content, you're also a minister, because you're helping people through tough times. Now, how cool is this? So now that we've gotten this out of the way, the next thing I want you to do is to go ahead and install vidIQ Chrome extension. vidIQ Chrome extension. So once it opens like this, make sure you click on the second link, which is Chrome Web Store, and then you're going to see vidIQ Vision for YouTube. You click on it, and you're going to go ahead and install it. If you don't have it installed on your browser yet, please go ahead and install it by just clicking Add to Chrome, and it's going to install to your browser. Now, I talk about this extension all the time on this channel because it's very, very essential. And guess what? It's totally free, 100% free. You don't have to pay for the pro plan to be able to use the basic things that you need to grow your channel. So now that we have vidIQ Chrome extension installed, the next thing we're going to do is to visit YouTube.com. Oh, amazing. This is my video on YouTube homepage. This is really amazing. So now that we are here, we're going to go ahead and search for Bible inspirational verses. Now, the first step you must take, whether you're creating content in this niche or any other niche on YouTube, is to make sure that you create in-demand videos. In-demand videos are videos that people want to see. Now, I always advise my students while starting their YouTube channel that they should make sure that the first 100 videos that you upload on their channel shouldn't be from their own ideas alone, because your idea is not yet proven and you don't want to go through the trial and error route. You want to go through the guaranteed route, and that is why you have to look at what has worked for others and model the content. So you are going to look out for videos that people are watching, videos that people are interested in, videos that people in that niche, people that consume content in that niche are interested in, and create hundreds of them. Then after the 100 videos, you can now do one or two of your own idea or add your own idea and take it from there. But the first 100 videos should strictly be videos that people want to watch. If you do this, trust me, you're not only going to grow faster, you're going to have a viral video. And to find those content that people want to see, that is where the Chrome extension that we just installed comes into play. Now, all this information here is from vidIQ, and this one is views per hour. That is the average number of people that are currently watching the video every hour. So for this one is 320 people per hour, which is incredible, right? Now, for 320 people to be watching a 4-year-old video, that is, there's something about this video that the viewers love. So if you use this idea and make your own video, you're also going to get people to watch your content as well. It's as easy as that, right? So this is a very big secret that I'm leaking out for you. Let me know in the comment section if this is being helpful. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to find other ones. You can see this one was uploaded 5 years ago and is still getting 82 views per hour. Now, when you're doing this research, I want you to always look out for anything above 30 views per hour, and the video shouldn't be a newly uploaded video, right? The older, the better, right? As you can see, this is 5 years old and it's still getting averagely 82 views per hour, which is incredible. And trust me, God promises is God promises 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now. This is what makes this niche evergreen, because God's promises is God's promises 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, 50 years from now. So if you make a video today, it's still going to be relevant the next 20 years, the next 30 years. But trust me, this video that I'm making will probably be stale maybe after 1 year, because there will be new tools, new strategies, and new everything. So it might not be as relevant as it was when I made the video. But for a niche like this, of course, you already know. God's promises is God's promises anytime, any day, right? So here you can see this one was done 1 year ago and it's still getting 184 views per hour. And of course, it's God's promises. So here you can see what just happened here. So here you can see that this person used this strategy that I'm talking about here. So this person did God promises, faith, strength in Jesus, and it's 3 hours long. It was done 5 years ago and it got 21 million views. And guess what this person did? 1 year ago, this person did the same, the promises of God related to that one, right? And he did it 1 year ago and the video got 2.5 million views, which is incredible. So even when you recreate your own idea, of course, you're going to add your own sauce to make it amazing, right? So when you add your own sauce and the video comes out, it's going to do very well, or at least it's going to do averagely well. And that is because it has been proven and there are people that are still interested in that topic even up till now. So if you create a content around that topic, you're still going to get lots of views. Now imagine having hundreds of them. Now there are so many of them I would like to show you, but because of time, we're going to be moving to the next stage. So take your time and do your analysis, do your research. Like I will always say, YouTube is 80% planning and strategizing and 20% execution. So you need to take as much time as you can, as is required for you to get the best of in-demand videos. So now the next thing you want to do is you're going to go ahead and click on each of the channel to see what is going on the channel, right? So once you get here, you're going to click on videos and you're going to look through what is going on the channel. So you can see this one was uploaded 4 days ago and it has gotten 22,000 views, which is amazing. This one is 11 days ago and it has gotten 35,000 views, and on and on and on. So all you have to do is to take note of older videos that are still getting a lot of views till date, and then note them, note the concept, so that you can use that to create yours, so that you can also tap into the view flow, right? You're going to tap into the view flow, right? So now just imagine this video, Bible inspirational prayer tutorial. Imagine seeing it on another channel. Imagine another creator creating something about this topic, right? Won't you click on it? It's just a simple common sense. You're definitely going to click on it, irrespective of the fact that I'm not the one talking about it, but you also want to hear another person's idea or another person's perception or another person's approach or another person's strategy to that particular niche or to that particular topic. So it's just common sense, right? So irrespective of the fact that you have seen a couple of videos on this topic on my channel, that won't stop you from clicking on another video by another creator, right? So that is just how it works. But a lot of people are ignorant about this, and that is why they struggle to get views. They struggle to grow their new channel. So once you model what has worked in the past, you're going to experience faster growth and, of course, the money. So now the next thing you're going to do is to click on popular to find the most popular videos on the channel that are still doing well till date, and then use that as our topic ideas, right? So here you can see this one was uploaded 4 years ago and it's still getting 169 views per hour, and it has also gotten 9.4 million views, which is amazing. And then this one was uploaded 4 years ago, again, 7 million views, and it's still getting 48 views per hour. This one 4 years ago is still getting 131 views per hour. And if you go on and on and on, you're going to see amazing ones. So the fact that this is exceeding 100 views per hour up to now, so the ones you're going to select on this channel should not be anything less than 150 views per hour. So you're going to select the ones with 150 views per hour and above, right? So this one is Soak in God Promises by the Ocean, and this one, okay, this one is not up to 150, and here is Play these scriptures all night and see what God does, right? And it's getting 188 views per hour. This one was uploaded 1 year ago and it's getting 187 views per hour, and it's about the promises of God. So once you note all these things out, it's very easy to get up to 100 topics using this method. So once you're done with this channel, you go over to another channel, you go over to another channel, and mind you, this works for every niche and any niche. It's not just this type of niche, it works for every niche and any niche, and that is why I wanted to put it out here. These are the kind of topics, these are the kind of things, these are the kind of strategies that people put together in a course and sell to you for thousands of dollars, and I'm giving it to you for free. And the best thing you can do for yourself is go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet, so that you won't miss these videos that I'm putting out for you, right? You don't have to buy any course to succeed on YouTube, because every strategy that has gotten me this, I'm putting it out in the open on this channel. I made this tutorial for you to learn how you can use AI to create this content, so you don't even have to do the editing yourself. All you have to do is get the script, and then you're going to use that AI to generate the video. Now, how cool is this? Now, all you have to do is to go ahead and watch this video and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.